Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Asus laptop, another Asus laptop. This one is this P1511CE. Don't know if it's clear for you to see, but it's got a space for another hard drive. It says HDD without HDD, so that means it's got an extra space there for I think a normal hard drive. It's got a built-in NVMe 512 gig. This one I know has got Windows 10 Pro. So yeah, there it says 10 Pro 64-bit. That's about it. I think this has got 8 gig RAM. It does look like that. 4 gig RAM on board and 4 gig RAM extra in a little DIMM slot. Okay, in any case, that's the box of the Asus. Let's get it, cut it open. The packaging is good. The laptop is in a soft bag. And what is this? Oh, this is for the extra HDD which you can install. So you get the brackets to do that for later upgrade. What's in here? Okay, you also get this little network adapter from USB 3. So this might be a gigabit adapter, I'm sure it is. Get a few booklets, just everything you need to know how the machine works. And on this side you've got your power adapter. This normal power brick that comes with all of them. And this one again, it's 45 watts. So 19 volt, 2.37 amps. It's just got your basic little plug there that plugs into the machine. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Right, so let's get the machine out of the bag. And wow, okay, this is silver color. It's a very nice finish. The Asus emblem is like, it's like painted on there. It's not standing out or anything like that. I haven't seen one like this. Normally it's a bit more textured, but yeah, that's the logo. Let's start from the back. There's actually no ports or anything on the back. On the right hand side you've got two USBs. It looks like USB 2. They don't have the USB 3 sign there. Well, they don't indicate that it's it. You've got a lock port there and your normal headset. And this is your power and charging lights. In front, also nothing. And on this side, you've got, this is a USB 3. So it seems like you've only got one USB 3 and two USB 2s. It's a bit different from the rest of the machines we know. And then this is the HDMI port, Type-C port. So actually you've got a nice fast port here. And then you've got your charging port where you just plug in your charger. So let's see what the inside looks like, or the, what you call it. Well, it doesn't open up with just one hand. The hinges are very tight, so the whole machine lifts up, but if you just use your other hand to keep this part down, it'll open up. I believe that'll become a bit more loose as you use the machine. Okay, so this is an i3. I don't know if I've mentioned that. 11th gen i3. It's got a full keyboard, like all the normal 15-inch laptops, with your numpad. This one, what I don't like about the design maybe is the way I normally type on a keyboard. I will try and put the full stop and then it puts enter, but you just have to get used to the full stop being in the middle here. Yeah, that's a basic keyboard. It's got nice round finishes on the letters and stuff. It's quiet. It's not that loud. Okay, and so here we can see the screen is again, it's a matte kind of a screen, very nice. No serious reflections, you can't even see me inside the screen. At the top there you've got your webcam. It doesn't have a privacy shutter, thank goodness. And then you've got your microphones over there. So the one might be a light that will show you when the webcam is on, and the other one is a microphone normally. So that is it for the how it looks and whatever. We'll quickly switch it on and see what the screen looks like and maybe what the sound sounds like. I normally know it doesn't switch on when you just get it out of the box, but let's try. You have to actually charge these first. Nothing's happening. They'll only activate once you've plugged this in once. I don't know if it's possible for you guys to hear the construction in the back, but yeah, there's stuff going on here. So when we plug it in, there's no light on this side, but on the other side you've got your light that shows now it's busy charging. And once you switch it on, let me just switch it on, then the power button will come on. So there's your two indicators that the machine is on. Alright, so this is the first startup, so obviously it's going to ask a lot of questions and stuff. Right, so one thing I do notice on this machine is that the caps lock doesn't... Oh, it's got a little light over there. I wanted to say that it's not got a light. And this one? Okay, so the num lock, I don't think it's got a indicator that the num lock is on or not, but this is a separate pad, so it doesn't actually matter. This is the most important one, so if you can definitely see when you're typing passwords there, the caps lock is on or not. So that is a nice feature, and I think that is what every laptop should have at least. So let's just quickly see. Yeah, no, it's quite responsive and works nice. Let's quickly, I'm quickly going to YouTube, and we're going to check out just a normal YouTube to see how the sound is. Okay, so let's quickly have a look or listen to the sound. This is just a little Pioneer TSW 130 that I unboxed or installed into a truck, and so yeah, let's play and find... I'm just going to put the volume up. So yeah, no, not bad at all, eh? I think it's got more than enough sound. Yeah, and that is actually not a very good quality sound test, but this is a video I can show you guys. So I also think this is a cool design. On the numpad they've got a quick function button. So on your numpad you've got a quick function button to your calculator, so that's quite useful. There's a lot of other quick function buttons, so if you press F9 it'll just lock the machine immediately. Everything else is just the basic stuff, but volume up and down, mutes, everything is on here. You can even disable and enable your camera here. So camera off, it won't be able to use the camera, and now it'll be able to use the camera. When the camera, I think when you press that, the camera is disabled in the device manager and it won't even work if you try and activate it, so you have to activate it over there again. Okay, another thing on this machine is obviously it's got the 8 gig RAM, and then on the hard drive it shows there it's got an NVMe Intel SSD. So that's the drive that is installed when you buy the machine. On the wireless side you've got your normal Wi-Fi. I think this is up to, at the moment it says 54 megabits per second. I don't know if it can go up to 300, but on this network it connects up to 54 megs per second. Alright, so that was my unboxing of the Asus i3 11th gen. And yeah, I'm very happy with this machine. It does feel sturdy. I like the build quality. It's very lightweight. This is a thicker screen than the other laptops in this range, so hopefully this screen cover will help you help in protecting screens. We do get a lot of screens cracked and so on these days because the screens doesn't have any metal, you know, chassis anymore. So just be careful with your machines. It does help to work with a bit of care with these, and don't close it with anything like the cable or whatever inside there. Your screen will last for a very long time. That is it, and I hope you loved this Asus unboxing. Thanks for watching.